24 तारखेक राजभवनातल्या दरबार हॉलांत जाल्ल्या सरकारी रोजगार मेळाव्यांत भाजपा प्रदेशाध्यक्ष कितें करतालो असो प्रश्न तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचो म्हणयारो त्राजन डिमेलोन केला। हे अशें करून मुख्यमंत्री कार्यकारिणी नष्ट करूंक सोदता असो आरोप लेगीत त्राजनान केला।
Yesterday, the Chief Minister and his cabinet ministers had a big Milava at the Rajbhavan, at the new hall. And the purpose was that all those who were selected for various jobs in different departments were called there so that they would be given their letters. Now, what is the Chief Minister exactly trying to do? It is well known that the legislature, the executive, the judiciary and the press are all different functions and all independent from each other. Why are you overstepping the power and taking the powers of the executive into your hands? By doing this, what have you projected yourself as? That the executive has done the selection of the staff and you are becoming postman government, giving them the letters? Or are you trying to send a message that you have chosen all of them? The Chief Minister may be the executive head, but there has never been such a precedent that you give the letters. And if that also, even if you are the executive, what was the party president doing there? For that Milava, what has he got to do? Party has got to do. To what level are you taking down this government and administration in such a situation? Do you expect the executive to function without bias? Are you trying to tell the executive that you are the boss and you can do anything with them? Are you trying to say the executive is weak? I appeal to the executive to stand firm against, within your rights, stand firm within your rights, not bend. You will be respected by the people of Goa even after you have retired. Because we can see the judiciary has started to stand up very strongly. The case in point is the very recent, the selection of the Election Commission. I once again appeal to the executive, stand firm and appeal to the Chief Minister, do not try to weaken your executive. You are only going to make a mess of the entire administration.